guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a request from a viewer. I, on Instagram stories over the weekend, asked for some video requests for you guys. I said I'm going to be doing a bunch of filming this week. What do you want to see? And somebody said 5-minute or 5-product makeup routine, which it was crazy because also over the weekend I was running really late for dinner with some friends. And I just like did not have the time to do my makeup. So I did my basically 5-product makeup routine, and then I read that and I was like, that is perfect and I will totally share that. So that is what today's video is. Just my really basic, really fast go-to makeup look that's perfect for spring and summer because it's less product on your face. It's been cold in LA, but all of a sudden it's really hot. So I'm like, great, we're in the thick of it. It's officially time to wear less makeup. So that is what's happening. I will say right off the bat, I've already cheated. This is a 6-product makeup routine, but you can omit, I'm using basically blush, bronzer, and highlight, but you can omit one of those if you want. I just couldn't. So this is my true out the door 5-minute face. So yeah, and obviously it might take me a little longer than 5 minutes today, or this video might be longer than 5 minutes because I'm chatting. But when I'm in a rush, this is it, and it's so fast and easy. So, okay, I'm just gonna shut up, we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna clip my hair back just to get it out of my face. So for my face, obviously I washed it and moisturized it and everything. Skip primer when I'm in a rush, but I am going in with the NYX BB cream. This only comes in 3 shades, but the lightest shade is perfect for me, so this is 01 Nude. I love this stuff. You guys have heard me rave about this before. It just is the best for a lightweight finish on your face, but it has nice coverage and you don't need to set it. It doesn't crease anywhere, and I'm not obviously not going to use concealer today. I guess that's not obvious. That could have been one of my 5, but it's not. And I'm also running out of this, so I gotta get a new one. Okay, yeah, really, really out of it. So I take about that much, and I just use my fingers when I'm in a rush, so I'm just going to put this on like a moisturizer. And as you can see, it's a really good match for my skin. So if you are as fair as me, the #1 light nude shade will work. And I also like this because it has a tint of gray to it. So I feel like it's like neutral and not too pink and not too yellow, and I just really love it. So I just apply this like a moisturizer, getting sure to get it on top of my eyelids because I'm not wearing eyeshadow today, and this really doesn't crease. It's really nice. Definitely got some in my hair. And I also like to bring it down the neck. Just make sure it's like a seamless, easy situation. This is pretty much what I wore every day in Tokyo, every day at Disney World. It's a great Disneyland makeup product, like something that is lightweight but coverage, that isn't going to melt off your face. I just love this stuff, and it's really, really affordable. And as always, I will have all of these products, the 6 products, linked down below. Oh, and there's brushes. I hope those don't count. And it's easy as that. So as you can see, it's just an evened out, better coverage than what it was before. And it's not going to set, it's not going to crease, or it will set, and it just sets nicely. It's like, it's not completely to a powder formula, but it's how I like it, a little bit dewy, a little bit fresh, and it just looks good. Love it. And I have a little makeup wipe to wipe off my hands so I don't have to get up and wash them. Only downside of using your hands. But I also feel like using your hands like really like warms it up and melts it into your skin. So that's it for the face base pretty much. I don't have time for concealer, so I'm skipping it. So I go in with a bronzer. I can't put this bronzer down, you guys. This is the #7 Maple Bronzer. I love this. You can get this at Target. I think also maybe Ulta, I'm not sure. It's just the best for me right now when I don't really have any color. It's just really flattering. It's just a really nice bronzer that isn't patchy. It blends out really nicely. And I've been using it with the Real Techniques Point L brush, which I don't know about these brushes. I got this off of Octoly a really long time ago. I never really saw them like come to fruition on Ulta.com or anything, so I always try to find it to link it below. I usually have trouble, but check the bottom bar. But I love it because it comes to a pointed tip, and it's just perfect for placing your bronzer. So I'm just gonna warm up the face. Nothing too fancy, but like for me, bronzer brings my face to life because I am very pale. But if bronzer's not your bag, you could skip this and just do blush and highlight, or skip the highlight, you know. Get around the hairline. And this shade for me right now is just gorgeous. I love it so much. Of course they have other shades as well, but this one is just my favorite. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder because that's my mirror. And of course down the neck, already looking fab. My hair's not looking fab though. Okay, then next it is time for blush, and I'm sorry to be boring. I use this every time I do my makeup on film, but I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush, but look, I hit pan. Just kind of depressing, but not that depressing because it's only like 12 bucks and it's the best blush ever. And of course I'm going in with my Morphe G8 blush brush. It's one of like the gunmetal ones. And I just like this brush. I've used it so much that it's like lost its original shape, but it also just comes to like a tip. And it's just a really nice blush. It's just a really nice brush for placing the blush. Woo! So dipping. And I gotta tell you, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this blush on my wedding day. It is just my favorite because it's like a nude pink. It's not too pink, but it's not too nude. Does that make sense? This is in the shade Plum Rose, by the way. So it's like a plum rose shade. I'm just putting that on the apples of my cheeks and blending it back into the bronzer. Ugh, I love this blush so much. Then I'm going in with some highlight. Ooh, I'm also getting undressed. I've been, like I said in my last favorites video, I'm testing out a bunch of highlighters, trying to decide if I want to keep this one because I kind of think I like my highlighter better and they're kind of similar, but this is the Becca Moonstone highlighter and I'm using the Morphe M510 brush to do it. So this is obviously a mini compact from Becca. And I do like the shade. It's just similar to my Kylie one. So I don't know if I need both, but I'm just going to hit that pretty much all over my face. And it is really pretty. Love to do the tip of my nose lately. And I do, since I'm not wearing eyeshadow, I like to hit the eyes, like the center of the eyes, under the brow bone, and above the eyebrows as well. And then I kind of like to go back over it with the blush brush just to make everything seamless. Okay, now let's just do the brows really quick, and this is my favorite quick on-the-go brow product I talk about all the time. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow. I'm using the shade 3 right now. Again, coming undressed. When I buy it, I buy the shade 1, but they keep sending me their brow products, which I am not complaining about. Love that. But they keep sending me the shade 3. So I've been trying this out and I'm actually liking it. I think the Gimme Brow only comes in like 1, 3, and 5. You could try Sears. Anyone? But, so this is like the medium toned one. I think number 3 is what they make for redheads, which I think they think I'm a redhead. So I love this because it adds color, it adds fibers to make them thicker, and it just, you'll see, it just makes them look better. I do like to try and use a light hand though, because this is a little bit darker than I normally use. But I think the end result is not so bad, color-wise. And I know this product is pricey, and there are drugstore versions of it, but this tiny little brush, I feel like is worth the $24. And it lasts you a long time. It's not like you blow through it. So I'm just making sure to get the tail of my brow as well. Voila! See the difference? Looks pretty good. Now on to the next one. Voila! And I also like this product because it's not like a completely perfected, polished look, but it is definitely more cleaned up and fills in the sparse areas. So, thumbs up from me. And the last product is mascara, which also I'm going to curl my lashes. Sorry about it. So for mascara, I've been loving, you guys know this, I have 3 mascaras in my rotation right now. Oh, my nail is chipping. How rude. Anyway, I have 3 mascaras in my rotation right now, and this is one of them. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, and I just really have been liking it, so gonna use this today. But in a no makeup, quick, easy makeup look, whatever you want to call this, mascara I feel like is essential. Especially for me because I have very blonde lashes. This mascara smells kind of good. As you can see, I like to take my time, which is bad for a 5-minute makeup routine. And voila! So here is a close-up of my face. As you can see, I look really good. No, I'm just kidding. But it's just really simple, kind of glowy makeup. I did cheat. Not really cheat, but I'm not really using a lip product. I just have on what I put on with my skincare this morning. If you know me, you know I don't care about lip color. I'm pretty pleased with my own lip color, but I have on the Clarins new lip balm. I'll link it down below. I love it. But yeah, as you can see, it's just simple, glowy makeup. But okay guys, that is it. My simple, quick, 5-minute, 5-ish products makeup look. Normally when I'm doing makeup looks, I will use a setting spray of sorts, but since I didn't really set with any powder, I don't feel the need to. Plus, that's another product I'm not allowed to use. So yes, that is it. Here is the finished look, just really highlighty, and that's pretty much it. But I hope you enjoyed this. I will have all the products I used listed down below. And again, keep leaving me your video requests. I had so much fun reading through all the videos you'd like to see, and I'm adding them to my list, so just let me know down below. And I love you guys. I will see you very soon in a new video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.